So hi everyone, as a follow-up on my latest post on lignin welding, we want to show and demo and prove in a short practical test how this lignin welding effect actually works. First off, we hammer a loose Lignolock wooden nail in just to show you how high the integrity is. So please advance it. As you can see, you can fully advance it without any breakage, so it's a very sturdy and robust nail. Now we're going to shoot a Lignolock wooden nail into this receiving member by using a spacer, so we only drive it in halfway. And now we also try to advance it by means of a hammer, but as you will see, it won't work because we're going to crush the nail. This happens because the part that's inside the wood has already formed an inseparable bond with the lignin of the receiving member. And last but not least, we're going to shoot a couple of nails in, which is the actual intended way how Lignolock nails are used.